I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I'm moving.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nikita and today in this video I'm going to share with you guys the unboxing of some frames which I bought from Shopee app. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So this is the box which I received from Shopee app. So now let's unbox it. This is the set of 6 frames of 2 different sizes. Three frames are of 5 by 7 inches and other 3 frames are of 4 by 6 inches. आई मस्ट से कि शॉपी का पैकेजिंग भी बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छा है. And the quality is really good. These frames are made of synthetic wood and the glass which is given here is the original glass, not a plastic sheet. At this price range, I never expected such kind of quality because I got this frame at just rupees 165 only. If you want video on how to insert pictures in this frame, please do let me know. I would love to make video on this. So if you like this video, just give a big thumbs up to this video and also share it with your friends and family. So मिलते हैं next video में. Till then, stay positive and goodbye.